Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study with Yash. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest information or the videos which I upload. And if you like this video, so please like and share. So let's get started with this video. Our today's topic will be motion and its types. So let's get started. What is motion? Object is said to be in motion if its position changes with the respect to its surrounding and time. For example, moving cars and flying birds are in the motion as they keep on changing their position with respect to some stationary points in their surrounding with the passage of the time. Types of motions. Translatory motion. First, translatory motion. A body is said to be in linear or translatory motion if it's moved in a line in such a way that its every parts move through the same distance in the same interval of time. There are two types of translatory motion: rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. Now second, circulatory motion. An object is said to be in circular or circulatory motion if it's moved around a fixed point in a circular path. A object is said to be in circular motion or circulatory motion if it's moved around a fixed point in a circular path. Some example of circular motion are child sitting on a merry-go-round. Okay. Now rotatory motion. If a body moves or spin about a fixed axis without changing the radius of its motion, it is said to be in rotatory motion. Means a object is moving without changing the radius of its motion, then we can say that it is in the rotatory motion. For example, movement of the fan, movement or the motion of the potter's wheel. Now, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion can be best explained with the help of the pendulum of wall clock. We all know. Here the pendulum as a whole moves back and forth in its main position. When a body as a whole moves and back forth or true or four about its mean position, its motion is described as a circular motion. Means if a body is moving in true or fro motion in the mean position, its motion will be described in oscillatory motion. Other examples are like stone tied to a string. After that, next topic, vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is a type of motion. A body is said to be expressed in vibratory motion if a part of a body moves back and forth its mean position. Vibratory motion is a type of oscillatory motion, we can say, because in this also body if moving back and forth its mean position, it's known as vibratory motion. For example, movement of the surface of the drums and tablas when played. After that, periodic table. In both oscillatory and vibratory motion, the motion of the bodies are repetitive and the time taken to complete a single oscillation or vibration remains the same. In a body, oscillatory and vibratory motion, the motion of the bodies are repetitive and the time taken to complete a single oscillation or vibration remains the same. When body repeats its motion, means a body when repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time, it's known as periodic motion. For example, the motion of the earth around the sun is periodic motion as it takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. So it will again take 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Means there is a fixed interval of time between the revolutions. Non-periodic motion, we know that if the body is moving without the fixed interval of time, it's known as what? Non-periodic motion. Okay, like butterfly flying in the garden, etc. What are multiple motion? Multiple motion exist at the same time. One type of motion is done at the same time. More than one type motion is done at the same time. For example, motion of the earth, drawing water from the well, a vehicle moving on a straight road, motion of a drill. After that, rolling motion, a body exists to a rotatory as well as translatory motion. Its motion is called rolling motion. If the body is both in rotatory as well as in translatory motion, it is known as rolling motion. After that, random motion, when a body moves such that no fixed path is, motion changes suddenly from one place to another, or one type to the another, it is known as random motion. For example, flying kite means it has no fixed path and its motion always changes. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.